show. Wanna thank you for watching.
First, I started off with some paprika. Then I went ahead and jumped right into that lemon pepper. Give me some more. Yep, more. Okay. Alright. Then some onion powder. Yep. Some oregano. 1 teaspoon of everything, people. Red peppers. Mix it up. Brown sugar. And those are the main ingredients. I use some obey as well. And I kind of skip some steps, but yeah. I started seasoning my water. Added some chicken broth. Everything that I seen B-Love do, so we're twins. Yep, drown it. Alrighty, then I add some mixed garlic, chopped garlic to my water so I can give that extra flavor that I'm looking for. Some obey. I love some obey. Mix. Then I go ahead and grab that Louisiana crawfish boil and crab oil. Come on. Yep, mix it. I let that water come to a boil, and then I went ahead and started melting down my butter. I actually should have started my fire a little bit earlier, but you know how that goes. Turn that fire up a little bit, and I'm gonna throw that second stick of butter in, and now it's coming to a boil. Yeah. So as I go ahead and let that boil go, I cut up me some onions. Yep, start crying. Go ahead. Start dumping that in. I don't have really, I allow some pieces to be pretty big because that's really how I like my onion to be cooked. The little chopped up style really doesn't do it for me. I like to taste my onion. I pop my little potatoes in. Pop. As well, I drop my boiled eggs just to make sure my boiled eggs will be all the way done. Some minced garlic. Yeah, throw that garlic in there. Mix it around. That butter looks so good. Okay. A little bit more garlic. Never heard of doing. Alrighty. And then I throw in my seasoning, my dry seasoning. Okay, right after that, I go ahead and mix it all in. Mixing. Yep, so after I finish mixing, I go ahead and get all my seasonings to drop down inside the pot. And I drop it inside of a bowl that I'm actually going to be using for my dipping sauce. Oh, forgot some ginger, some Worcestershire, and some hot sauce. That's all some other stuff I added.
Hey guys, it's your girl Essence, and I'm back with another video. If you are new to the channel, all you have to do is what? Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and comment below. As you can see, it's clear as day. I'm doing a seafood mukbang, so let's go ahead and dive in. Let me go ahead and pray first. Lord, I want to start off by saying thank you for blessing this food, and I appreciate you so much. Amen. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna just try the sauce. I haven't tried the sauce yet. I'm gonna try with a sausage. I don't know if it's the same sauce that I'm sure it don't taste like the one that she's selling now, but it's amazing. Let's try this lobster. But yeah, I'm gonna try to dive into this food, baby. I know y'all didn't hear me. If y'all want to hear me talk, y'all gonna be at the other video. I'll give it some of this some liquid rain, like B-Love said. Try to boil egg. I've been seeing people in their seafood balls just boil egg. soft. Tastes so good.
Can you put clothes right on here?
Oh, yeah. Oh, get together. Oh, you
Very
ready to move?
soft. One thing I've been waiting to do for a while, my mama just came in here.
You in there?
It's do a mukbang. And it's been so much just trying to get it all together. I've been trying to buy all the stuff.
The fuck out of here, dude.
Excuse the crew. We got a lot going on today. Oh, it just tastes so good. I'm gonna try one of these. Alright, blend. When everybody else on YouTube be opening these up, they do it so good. Let's see how mine will come out. Let's check it out. You can always cut it. Oh yeah, slid right out. Let's see. What's falling down my chin? I see why this is a big deal. Because I ain't never had king crab before. The juice is going in. So earlier today, when we did the skin, routine, I was telling y'all about the time I got jumped. Nobody was believing the hype when I got jumped. What? That was a true story. Let's try one of the potato. Kind of cut the top of my tongue a little bit. Let's try shrimp. But my own preference on the sauce is really good. It's not sweet. It's just spicy. I add a lot of spice too. Come on. A lot of people like to add different spices, but mine was really good. I'm gonna go ahead. It's a little bit more, and I'm gonna close this video out because we got more things to shoot today. And I got more videos for y'all to see. But comment below some other mukbangs that I should do. Ow. And I'm gonna do them. All you gotta do is comment. Make sure you're telling your mama to comment, your daddy to comment, your girlfriend, your boyfriend to comment. But yeah, so be sure. Okay. Put a little bit of liquid rain on it if you know about it. Alright, let's try this. And that's it. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment below. This food is super good. I'm gonna go ahead and go close this out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Welcome to the Essence Show.